Hello to all of you dear friends, welcome to my channel. I'm with you with the 13th episode of the Psychology of Candles video series. I want to talk to you about the method of trading with a candlestick pattern. Be sure to stay with me until the end of the video. Well, as you know, so far 12 episodes of the Psychology of Candles video series have been posted on the channel. Today, I want to talk to you about trading with a candlestick pattern that's called WRB. I'm going to introduce this candlestick pattern to you and explain how to trade with it. But before that, I kindly ask you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it and send it to your friends. The registration links for platforms are available in the descriptions of all channel videos. Click on the link to receive a $10,000 demo account along with a 50% initial bonus to start practicing gun trading. Alright, let's get into today's video. But first of all, we need to know what WRB pattern or WRB candles are. In this video, we divide the candles into three categories or three types. The first type is wide range bar candles or WRB, which means a candle whose body is larger than recent bars and its shadow is smaller than the candle body. If you look at these candles, the dimensions of the candle body are much larger and significant compared to the wick and its shadow, which shows the strength of the buyers in this candle. Also, if you pay attention to this red candle, you can consider a medium body or a large body. For example, wide range bar candles are usually big candles. That is, they are large candles, which, in contrast to the shadow from above and below, have specific and large dimensions and indicate the strength of sellers in the market. But the second type of candles are range expansion bar candles or REB candles, which means a candle that has big pressure and shadow on one side, and this is a sign of strength and emotions in the market. If you look in these candles, we have a big shadow and a pressure from one side of the candle, which indicates the presence of buyers or sellers in this range. Okay, the buyer's zone and seller's zone. These candles are powerful candles that, if they are in the momentum trends, they will usually cause the trend to continue. But the third type of candles are the narrow range bar. Bars in which the body of the candlestick is small compared to the overall length of the candlestick. In these candles, the dimensions of the body are smaller compared to the dimensions of the shadow and pressure. And it shows that the war is between buyers and sellers. Inconclusive means there is uncertainty in the market. Usually these candles are one of the signs of trend reversal. But today, we want to talk about WRB candles and see how we should trade with these candles. How to trade with WRB pattern. We can consider 4 trading modes for these candles. For buying position, when we have a green candle or bullish WRB candle, this candle has SNR and support resistance from top and bottom due to its large dimensions. If the green WRB candle is formed, after that a red candle is formed inside the green candle, that is, the red candle should not cross their resistance, and then the next candle, the second red candle, is formed inside the body of the green candle, we can enter the higher trade in the candle before in 1 minute's time. Okay? In the next case, if we had a red candlestick or a WRB bearish candlestick and we drew the support and resistance for the lowest price and the highest price of the candle, if the second candlestick is a green and the next candlestick is again a red candlestick inside the body of the first candle, let's enter the higher trade on the fourth candle in the time of 1 minute. The first candle, the second candle, the third, and the fourth. These 2 setups are for buying positions in the time frame of 1 minute. For sell positions, if we had a red candle with dimensions of WRB, after drawing support and resistance on the lowest and highest price of the candle, if the next candle is a green candle inside the body of a red candle and the next candle is a green candle inside the body, we can enter a sell trade on the fourth candle. That is, this pattern is opposite to the direction of the above pattern. And if we had a WRB bullish candle, if the second candle is also a red candle inside the body of the main candle, and then a green candle is formed for us, we can enter a lower trade on the fourth candle. These 4 setups are the 4 main trading modes with the WRB pattern or WRB candles. But an important point, in which case we should not trade with this pattern and these candles. If my candle crosses the support of the main candle and a breakdown occurs, we can no longer enter the trade. Here too, if the red candle crosses the range of the WRB candle and the level breaks, we cannot enter the trade. Okay? In the same way for selling positions, if the green candlestick is formed like this and crosses the resistance, we do not have the right to enter the trade here. And also, if our green candle crosses the range of the WRB candle Okay? A breakdown occurs. We are not allowed to enter the trade. Remember the tips I told you about this pattern and write them down. Let's go to the chart to try to find its examples. Look here. A big candle, a wide range candle, a wide range bar, which I draw support and resistance. The first candle is red, the second candle is green, and the third candle, we could enter sell or lower position. Be sure to try to find and analyze examples of this pattern in the chart for practice. And this pattern is one of the patterns that is usually repeated in the chart. Look here. A green candle, then a red candle, and we could enter a higher trade in the next candle. This candle is a WRB candle. Look here again. Red candlestick, green candlestick, and then red candlestick. We could enter lower trade in this position. Very well, my dears, thank you for being with me up to this point in this video. I will definitely make different and attractive trades using this pattern in trading videos with the psychology of candles. Don't forget to write down the tips and practice on the patterns and tips in the demo account. I want you to like this video if it was useful for you, so that I can understand your interest in posting newer and more useful content from the number of your likes. Remember, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.